Happy Chinese New Year and a gentle reminder for today sa mga tamad-tamaran tulad ko. Itong summer strike quotes na nahanap ko. I still haven't figured out how I should live my life, but this really is good enough. This really is enough. Ganon. Ganon siya. Tamang inhale, exhale, okay na yan, mga mommy corns, mga auntie corns. Inhale, exhale lang tayo, okay na yan. Kahit na parang we just survive the day, ganyan. Walang bonggang nangyari, walang, flying colors, ganyan, walang butterflies, walang fireworks, okey lang 'yan. Yung saktong, bumabangon ka sa araw-araw at saktong nakaka survive talaga, yun yung tamang term, eh, nakaka-survive sa everyday struggles, eh, ang laking blessing, 'di ba? Since Chinese New Year ngayon, parang new lahat ganyan, new beginning though, yan. Every day is a new beginning. Yun lang, I really hope happy ang lahat. Peace out.